welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to make sushi rolls. And easy,
It's fun.
it's awesome and delicious.
Come on, let's show you how.
First, we're going to prepare the rice. And we need 3 cups.
Now we wash the rice.
It feels nice. We leave it to soak for half an hour.
Meanwhile, while the rice is soaking, we prepare the sushi vinegar. We need 1/3 a cup of rice vinegar.
Three tablespoons of sugar.
1, 2, and 3. 1.5 teaspoons of salt. After that, to make the sushi vinegar, we need to stir it until it's boiling.
I feel like a witch doing this.
The rice has been soaking for half an hour, so now it's time to strain it. We are going to add this kombu or dried kelp. This is going to add the umami taste to the rice.
Kind of sounds like cardboard.
Kind of does, doesn't it?
Now we dab it with a damp towel.
We fill the water until it's the 3-cup line. We have to put this in. Get in there.
While the rice is cooking, we're going to prepare the other ingredients. Now, I'm going to leave the cutting to my dad.
The engineer have to measure everything.
Now that the rice is done cooking, we add the sushi vinegar. It's not sushi rice until we add the vinegar.
Let's try it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does it taste like sushi? It's good. Cut. And then cut and you turn a little bit. Cut and turn. You know what sushi means?
No.
It means rice with vinegar.
And cover with a damp cloth.
I'm going to make shrimp roll. We are going to cook tempura shrimp.
You need to wash your hand, wet your hand. And now pick up the rice.
No.
Yes, scoop the rice. Right, and then have to be like. Okay. So make sure it's flat. Flat.
My hands are getting dry.
And you can use a tiny bit of water again. There you go. Now we wash our hand. So we need to turn it over. There.
This.
This one. And 2. And cucumber.
Line it up.
Line it up. Alright, and then what you need to do, you need to roll up like this. Roll up. Here you go. Press. And then hang on. And then let it go. We roll up again. Then we press like this. And to try it, press. And now we check, see if it's nice. And open it. Oh, not too bad.
Now we chop it up. It's not a toy.
Right, it's not toy. So we need to wet the knife.
Yeah.
And then make sure we cut in the center like this. There we go. Yeah. Now we cut each pieces. Make sure it's equal. There you go.
Can I try this?
Since I like my sushi roll spicy, I'm going to make the spicy tuna roll. First, we will need sashimi grade tuna, but we couldn't find it, so we used a fresh tuna steak instead. We used less than half pound to make 2 rolls. Cut thin, strip or dice or chop, whatever you like. Then, using a bowl, you are going to combine a splash of sesame oil, soy sauce or salt to taste, and sriracha. And then add 1 green onion thinly sliced. Now we are going to make the spicy mayonnaise sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. You can use Japanese or any mayonnaise will work. Then add 1 teaspoon ketchup and 1 teaspoon sriracha.
You can add more sriracha or ketchup as you desire.
Now to make the roll, we will need a sheet of nori. Cut it in half and then I will dampen my hands with water and grab a handful of rice. Take one of the half sheet with the sunny side down on the mat. Spread enough sushi rice. Add 2 tablespoons of the spicy tuna and cucumbers, and then let's get it rolling. Now let's slice it up using a long sharp knife, and be sure to keep the blade wet so the rice doesn't stick to it. Last but not least, we are going to make salmon sushi rolls.
I want to try it a little bit like this.
That's good.
Making sushi was actually not that hard, and once you're finished, it tastes amazing, right? It tastes really good. Preparing all the ingredients is a little lengthy, but it's worth it. Thank you for watching.
Arigato.
Arigato.
See you later.
See you next time.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.